Somewhere in the floor of the home, you'll have some access panels in them. So we like to put them in the furniture room if we can, but sometimes they have to be in other places. So it's okay if these get covered with finished flooring and something like that, but their purpose is they are the locations for some important features in the home. For instance, you have a rectangular one here. That's for a check valve or a backwater valve for the sewer system. So that's where the sewer leaves the home. This home has this larger one. Sometimes it doesn't have that rectangular cover. It's just another round cover, depending on how many there are in the home. But that's what that's for. Often your insurance company will ask you if you have one. You do. You have a pressure or backwater valve or a backwater preventer, certain names. But the idea is stopping the sewer from coming back into the house, which is what you want. There is also underneath of the floor something called a field drain. Most of our homes will have this. All it is a drain that goes underneath the concrete and it goes to a storm pond. So there's no pumps, it's a gravity feed, it just goes out to the storm pond. So any water that comes under the home goes to this drain and gets directed out without a pump or anything like that. And then the other clean out is or cover is a clean out location. So if something were to block that line, that's making it able for you to clean that system out.